Universal Yums Holiday Yums box. This is the box they send out, during the Christmas time. It's Christmas for me. It's what I celebrate, but it's their holiday box. This is the Super Yum, so it's the largest one they make. Let's see what we got. So this is the 2022 box. Happy holidays. Just like every other box, you can rank all your treats best to worst. And then information about the treats from the last box and how they ranked. Man, I am loving that they're adding drinks. This is a whole new thing the last 4 or 5 months. This one is lychee juice. Okay, again, I don't know where this box is from. So typically, the holiday boxes tell you their origin. Well, this one is going to be across the world because, yes, everywhere. So this is the pamphlet that comes with every box. When you open it up, it's usually got fun games, quizzes, but it also has this right here. So if there's a bag, you can't read it, you can't do anything else like that. You can match it to the picture and then learn about the different items. So, case in point, the drink, it is a lychee drink with coconut jelly. That's going to be tasty. It's from Thailand. So you got stuff from Jordan, Italy, Jordan, France. So let's dive in. Here's a the lychee drink we just read about. Cool. Tons of little stickers. Salted egg yolk popcorn. I've had this before. I think this is the 3rd box I've got this in. Maybe the 4th. It's a very rich, just imagine a creamy mouthfeel after you eat popcorn. Like it's definitely got the fat in there from the egg yolk, but it still tastes like popcorn, which is kind of crazy. We got here sparkling wine flavored potato chips. How do you do that? That's going to be interesting. Truffle & Co. Who doesn't love truffles? Popcorn. Oh, wow. Nope, they're just truffles. So let's say, is that popcorn in there? Nope, it's truffles. These, I got these one at a time. These were amazing. Had them with tomato soup. They're like a little crostini tart. The bottom is like this whole shell has the texture of a crouton. So a crouton with like dried herbs and tomatoes, and it's got like an olive oil because there is a oily consistency you get to your mouth. You get that mouth feel. Spicy mustard potato chips. Nice. Which country is this from? Doesn't say. Fudge. Tasty. More truffles. These are actually really good. They're the same company that had the other ones. Weird to throw them in with that, though. This is a little sponge cake. It's got like a crunchy exterior. The inside is a sponge cake. And then it's full of, it looks like some kind of berry, maybe a raspberry custard. Raspberry, cinnamon. I don't know what the rest is supposed to be. Lavender, maybe. Anyways, that's going to be interesting to try. Gummies. Oh no, they're like a hard, chewy gummy. This is an Italian snack, I think is what it says. They're called Bubs. Oh, okay, here we go. We got an English sticker on the back. Julmust, I don't know what that is. Raspberry and butterscotch flavored gummies. That's going to be tasty. Assorted baklava. Love baklava. Just recently found out I'm allergic to almonds. Make sure there's no almonds in here. We're looking at pistachios and cashews. Bam! Winner, winner. That's weird. Why is there just a card? Apple pie cookie bites. That's going to be tasty. Dominoes. These are our gingerbread, fruit-filled, and Persian coated and dark chocolate. Okay. It's going to be interesting. Soft nougat bar. Pistachios and nougat with yogurt. Okay. Strawberry trifle. Okay, so it's a gummy that's got multiple flavors layered. You can see the picture right there. That is a gummy. And then finally, some cinnamon cookies. These would be amazing to coffee or tea. Right on. So, amazing haul here. This is the Universal Super Yums box. And again, so every box does come with your placard that comes on top. This one decided to come with stickers, which is kind of nice. And one more time, if you're somebody who really cares about nutrition facts and you can't decipher the back and they haven't taken the time, because some of them they do put stickers that are in English, you get this right here. This is your nutrition facts. It's going to show you all the different nutrition facts for everything in there. And we're just going to run through real quick. This holiday box is supposed to be from everywhere, right? So we've got the Czech Republic, Taiwan, United Kingdom, France, the Netherlands, Switzerland, Greece, Spain, Netherlands, Germany, Sweden, and Italy, Jordan, France, Thailand, Jordan. So that gives you a full breakdown of everything that's in the box. Again, this right here, games, recipes, all kinds of fun stuff that's in here. Honestly, I usually don't even go through this, but when I'm trying to decipher stuff, I probably should. But anyways, again, this is the Super Yum box. Doing this over 2 years now. Been a reoccurring gift for my wife, which is fantastic. Say hi. Our house is a mess from Christmas. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and talk to you soon.